Okay, this is pretty much where we left off on the last one. The textbook tells you to click on Sketch 4 again, but the Sketch 4 in the textbook is my Sketch 7. Then, let's see, we are told to, hang on. Uh, okay, after saving the sketch and everything, uh, we're going to click on this again. Then we're told to click on the what is it, the revolve cut tool. We're going to just look for the revolved cut tool. Revolved cut, that's it right there. We click on that. Then we're going to click to highlight the selected contours box right there. And then we're going to select the upper portion of the sketch, which was this right here. Okay. And then from the heads up toolbar, we're going to click the, let's see, which one's the hide and show items. Redraw, rotate, view settings, display. Well, let me pause it. I'll find that so we won't waste your time. Well, wouldn't you know it, the view icon has got to do with eyeglasses. Okay, and you'll wait on these flyouts. That's view temporary axis. That's what it says to do. Then click the axis of rotation box in the property manager axis of rotation box right there. Okay. Then click on the axis at the center of the flange, all right, which is right there. Okay. Then we should just be able to click on the check mark, and we hopefully will be done. Okay, well, it did something. I'll pause it, read the directions, and we'll see what happened. Okay, what we've just done, you see how this is all blended smoothly here. There's no gaps, there's no anything. That's what we just did. Okay, this slopes down and this rib comes over, and there is no gap or anything at all right there. That's the little process that we just went through. Is what fix that so that there's no gaps or so on and so forth. It's blended smoothly. Okay, and this should correspond to figure 5.5 in your textbook, page 161. Okay. Okay, so here's what we've got. Now then, we are supposed to select the draft tool from here, whichever one it is. I much prefer words because I can't remember what the shapes are. There's the draft. Okay, then it says we're supposed to make sure that the manual tab right there is grayed out. For the neutral plane right there, select the flat surface shown in figure 5.53. Okay, neutral plane, flat surface right there. Okay, and now then for the faces to draft, we want to click on the surfaces shown on page, or not page, but figure 554. Hang on just a minute. Okay, so what we've done there is we've set this as neutral, so the draft won't be affected here. Now then, what it wants us to do is we want to click on this surface here, and we want to set this at 2 degrees. I like the way that doubles it up there instead of replacing that. That's anything we can do about that. Okay, 2 degrees. Then we want to rotate. Click that button right there. Rotate. We click escape to get out of rotate. We're going to click that right there. So now then we have both of these surfaces draft angle of 2 degrees, and hopefully when we click that button right there, everything's going to be okay. All right, presumably it is. Okay, what we're going to do now is attempt to make 6 of these all the way around. So the textbook says click that one. Then we're going to, under the linear pattern tool, that's what that is, we're going to linear pattern tool. Okay. It said here we're supposed to expand all that. We did. All right. And the numbers are not going to exactly add up, but what we're talking about, we want to highlight this, this, this. Pardon me. Okay. Draft 1, cut and revolve, and extrude boss. Well, the textbook says 3, but we want 6. Okay. Then we're going to click in the pattern axis box to highlight it. Pattern axis box. Okay, that's what we did just there. Features to pattern. Then we're going to select the temporary axis at right there. And then we're going to set the number over here to 6. And find the number. I guess number of instances right there. Hang on just a minute. Well, the error was I clicked the wrong thing here. You're supposed to click the circular pattern. Okay. Then features to pattern. This one, and that one. Okay. Now then, okay. 6, 360 degrees. We click the temporary axis, and there you go. And then we do the check mark, and voila. Okay, now then we're going to, from a pair of eyeglasses, we're going to click that, so that makes it disappear, and we have figure 5.59 on page 163.